Wise. Today I'm going to go through some grooming brushes with you and in the order that I would use them. So firstly I'd come with a mane and tail. I'd brush out nice and gently through that mane use my other hand to help keep it nice and flat. We don't want it to be coming through because then we could pull out the mane and it would come out onto the brush and then we would have a thin mane. We want to brush it nice and gently through the tail, section it into pieces and going through. We would also use some mane and tail sprays, which is like a little conditioner that helps loosen up the tail and keeps it knot free. Then you've got the curry comb, which is helped to, you could use it all over the body. Maybe not the face, because it is quite a tough and hard brush. It's helped to get out the mud and the grease and to separate it nice and evenly across the body. It's also good on the legs to get out any tough mud or stable stains. We've got the body brush. The body brush can be used anywhere on a horse's body. So it can be used on the face, legs, under the belly, in the thigh, get off the grease. Maybe not as tough a mud, but it'll get off any of the dust. Yeah. So we've got the magic brush. A magic brush again can be used anywhere all over the body. Helps to get the fur up, the grease up and the mud. A dandy brush. Dandy brush is quite a stern, hard brush. You want to be using this on the legs, on the tough parts, tough stable stains, tough bits of mud that we can't get off. We've got a pulling comb here. So these are just to be used to pull our horses' manes and tails. We don't comb with them because it will just pull out the mane and the tail. We've also got a nice rubber curry comb, which can help bring up all the grease, the fur, especially in the molting season. It's really good to get it all up. The hoof pick. So we use this every time we groom a horse. Every time really you go into the stable, you're picking that horse's foot out, going around the frog and brushing it out nice and clean. We've also got the metal scraper that can help bring up or clean the brushes as well. So if we've got the body brush, this could help get all the fur so that we've got clean brushes for every horse that we are grooming. We've also got the sweat scraper. So after a horse has been ridden, especially in the summer, and they get up that sweat, so as you sponge them off, this sweat scraper, use it down on the horse's body and it'll bring it all up and rinse the horse. Ta-da!